Here's the demo of the pile driver. Here's my pile driver, which is a heavy mass. I have a board here with a hole in it to protect the table. I'm going to thread a long threaded rod through the mass and into the table. And now I can raise the mass and drop it to do work. I'm going to take a wood block and I'm going to pound a nail into it with a hammer. There's the nail in the wood block. Now I'm going to put this under the pile driver and I'm going to use the weight of the mass to drive the nail. Another demo is to take an empty soda can and use the weight to crush the can. That's the pile driver.